These beautiful indoor plants with coin-shaped leaves not only look good, but also attract good luck and money. Grow them today for a chance to change your fortune. Number 1. Chinese Money Plant. This beautiful plant is admired for its round green coin-shaped leaves. It's also considered a symbol of good luck and friendship. Number 2. Creeping Jenny. Also known as moneywort, it features mid-green coin-shaped leaves. For the yellow hue, grow it in full sun as the foliage takes a brown color in the shade. Number 3. String of Coins. Also known as Siver Dollar Vine, the round green coin-shaped foliage on thin stems looks beautiful in planters. Some people call it a money plant as well. Number 4. String of Nickels. The coin-like flat green round leaves give an impression of coins dangling on a string. This showy houseplant looks exceptionally beautiful in hanging baskets. Number 5. Compton. This dwarf succulent offers brown to pale green coin-like leaves, flowers of orange to yellow in the shade. Number 6. Jade Plant. This popular crassula variety shows off thick, oval, coin-shaped dark green leaves. It also produces pink-white blooms during the winter. Number 7. Yellow Rainbow Bush. This slow-growing, spreading succulent ground cover features beautiful red-brown stems and round coin-like pale yellow to light green leaves. Number 8. Trailing Elephant Bush. This beautiful succulent offers maroon stems filled with round, coin-like fleshy leaves. It cascades over walls and achieves great length. Number 9. String of Turtles. This vining plant has round, purple-green foliage patterned in white veins. It looks adorable in hanging baskets. Number 10. Silverleaf Artillery Plant. This beautiful, easy-to-grow pilia variety showcases soft pink-red stems carrying clusters of coin-shaped blue-green leaves. Number 11. Breviolata. Hoya breviolata offers coin-shaped, waxy, round green leaves. The plant also produces red and white, fragrant blooms. Number 12. Silver Dollar Plant. The cute and plumped leaves of this plant are round and fleshy with a coin-like shape. It stays compact and looks great on coffee tables. Number 13. Roundleaf Peperomia. This epiphyte has soft, trailing stems and small, round, coin-shaped, thick, dark green leaves. It looks great as a desktop plant. Number 14. Stephania pierrei. Also known as Stephania erecta, it features a swollen stem and green round foliage with yellow blooms. Number 15. Alice Herbert. This succulent forms a cluster of stemless rosettes with round green flat leaves covered in hair, giving them a gray look. Number 16. Pennywort. Though not as common as the other plants on this list, it's still quite a unique plant with coin-shaped leaves that you can keep on tables. Thanks for watching. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.